Meaning of Esquire.
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 Esquire. Esquire is a title of courtesy frequently appended to the name of lawyers, and also used more generally as a term of respect for a man. The term originated from Middle English, where it was used as a title for a young nobleman who was in training for knighthood. Later on, it came to be used to describe someone who was a lawyer. Today, it is commonly used in formal correspondence, legal documents, and letterheads. Overall, Esquire is a title that conveys a sense of prestige and respect.